Okay, and last but not least, because in fact this is my personal favorite way to wear the mask, I have cord locks. I bought 2 different kinds. I got a variety pack that just came with these 2 different kinds. Oops, don't do that. These 2 kinds of cord locks. So it's got a spring mechanism in each of them. So in this one, obviously, thread the lace through each hole. In this one, they both go through that. And I bought on Amazon, I got a 30 pack of these for, I think it was $6. So they're not expensive. Don't touch your face. So I'll do the 2-hold one for this. So it's like I'm opening it by pressing that button on top, putting these in. It doesn't really matter which way the button faces. So there's that, okay. And when I let go of the button, it's secure. So this is how I have all of my personal face masks arranged right now because I like it. And so once again, I'm going to put this on. I can leave it hanging around my neck as I, drive to my destination or whatever. And so then, similar to when you have the tie back model, when you first put it on, it does take a little bit of adjusting. And so again, I'm trying to get this lace in the back right around the sort of the nape of my neck, under my level with the bottom of my ears, or not really, bottom of my jaw, I guess. And so I can pull these tight, and then once I've got a good comfortable fit, I'm gonna take that cord lock, hold on, let me see, take the cord lock and just cinch it nice and tight. And then again, you can do little minor adjustments here once you've got the cord lock secured, but that is a nice tight fit, and it's nice for anybody who has a hard time tying behind their head, but does like this style that kind of goes around the back of your head and doesn't mess with the behind your ear. Everybody has a different personal preference. And then, as with the tying mask, you can just lower this like so and put it back on if you need to or not. And then when, I didn't show this with the other mask, but when it's time to take it off, I loosen the cord lock first, and then I pull it away from my face so that I'm not just rubbing it over my face. And then take it over my head, throw it in the laundry, and good to go.